Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make this very colorful donut nail set. So let's get started. I am already wearing my press-on nails and I am going to start with a coat of this pastel yellow color on the pointer finger and on my pinky. Next, I will apply a coat of this pastel blue on my ring finger, and later on I will also apply it to my thumb. And the last base color I will be using is this pink, and I will apply it to my middle finger. Now let's add a second coat to all of the nails. And let's add a bit of color to the thumb as well. Now that all of the nails have a base color, it is time to create the dripping strawberry glaze of the donut. I will paint this on the pinky and on the pointer finger. I am doing this by adding a dot with a dotting tool at the places where I want the drips to be. Next, I am using a liner brush to drag the line from the dots to the top of the nail. I will connect these lines with some arches. And finally, I will color it all in with pink. After adding a second coat of the pink, it is time to recreate this design on the pointer finger. Now I'm going to add these colored beads on top of the donut glaze. I am first applying a transparent polish all over the pink glaze, and I will randomly add the colored beads to it. I ended up not liking this technique at all because the beads kept sliding around and it actually got pretty messy. So in the next clip I will be using a different approach to applying these colored beads. Once all of the beads are on, I finish this nail off with a cure. On my middle finger I am doing it a little different. I am using the same transparent polish, but now I'm only applying a few dots on the nail. I will add one colored bead on each dot. I'm not doing the entire nail at once, but only about 5 beads at a time before curing. It won't need a full cure, just a couple of seconds to set the beads so they won't slide around. And after the last beads are on, I will fully cure the nail for the full 1 or 2 minutes. And I'm going to use the same technique for the glaze on the pointer finger. Since all of the colored beads are on, I am now moving on to the donut charms. I am going to use this clear hybrid gel to stick the donut charms onto the nail. And once they're all on, I am going to give it a cure and I will move on to the thumb. The thumb will not get fully covered with the donut charms. I will only place 3 donut charms at the base of the nail. So I am once again using the clear hybrid gel because it's a thicker consistency and it will keep the donuts in place. And once the thumb is cured as well, I am going to finish off this nail set with a no wipe top coat. Take your time with this and make sure you go in between all the little creases. And that's the final look. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye!